Two leading productivity tools, Notion and Things 3, go head-to-head in a battle for your workflow. Which one really delivers? On the left, Notion, the all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, and more. On the right, Things 3, renowned for its smooth, task-focused experience. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what actually matters. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which tool comes out on top. The winner in 2025 might just surprise you.
Here's the mind map of what we're going to cover. Features, pricing, integrations, platform availability, security, and user experience. So if you're curious about any of those, you'll get the info you need. Ready? Let's do this.
Let's kick things off with features. So Notion is like the Swiss Army knife of productivity. You can take notes, manage tasks, build databases, collaborate with teams, and those custom templates, you can get seriously creative. But sometimes it's almost too much. Like you open Notion and boom, the interface can be a little overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out. And if you go wild with complex setups, sometimes it's not exactly the speediest. Now, switching to Things 3 is all about keeping things simple. The interface is so intuitive, it just makes sense, and organizing projects or quickly adding tasks is a breeze. However, heads up, you don't get much in terms of customization, and there's no real-time collaboration, which is kind of a bummer if you need your team in there. Honestly, Notion definitely takes the win here for sheer firepower.
All right, so let's talk pricing.
Notion here keeps it pretty accessible. There are affordable monthly or annual subscriptions, and you can even get started for free. If you've got a big team, though, it can add up a bit. Things 3, on the other hand, goes the route of a one-time purchase. I mean, it's cool that there's no subscription fees and you own it forever, but the upfront cost is definitely higher, and depending on the device, prices can shift around. Overall, Notion's pricing flexibility scores it the win for most people.
Now, moving on to integrations, Notion honestly crushes it here. Like, you've got connections to Google Drive, Figma, and literally hundreds of other apps through Zapier. It's wild how much you can link together. There's just so much potential. With Things 3, it's a little more focused. Integration is smooth as butter within the Apple ecosystem. If you use Apple Reminders or Calendar, it's seamless. But that's about it. Third-party integrations aren't a thing. So the winner again, Notion. No contest.
Wait, quick pause. Did you know Notion and Things 3 serve totally different purposes, even though both are productivity tools? So if you're comparing them, you kind of need to know what you actually want out of an app.
Next, platform availability. Notion plays everywhere. Web, desktop, mobile on both iOS and Android. You want it? You got it. Though, I gotta admit, the mobile app sometimes feels like it's missing some polish compared to the desktop version. For Things 3, it's designed for Apple users. Really, if you've got a Mac, iPhone, or iPad, you're golden. But if you're using Windows or Android, you're out of luck. So Notion's the clear winner in making sure you can work wherever. Getting into security. Notion takes security seriously. Your data is encrypted both at rest and in transit, and it's GDPR compliant, which is huge if you care about privacy. There's really nothing major missing here. Things 3 also encrypts user data and keeps your info to yourself, which is great, but they don't have formal GDPR compliance. So if you're a stickler for that kind of thing, it might be a drawback. Notion edges out the win again.
All right, last up, user experience. Notion's got a flexible, customizable interface. You can move things around, tweak layouts, go wild.
Problem is, that flexibility can sometimes be overwhelming for newbies. Like, where do you start? Now, Things 3 absolutely nails user experience. It's clean, intuitive. You find stuff quick. Navigation is totally on point. Limited customization, sure, but honestly, sometimes simple is better. For user experience, Things 3 finally gets a win.
Let's take a look at both apps side by side with a radar chart.
Notion dominates in features, integrations, security, and platform availability, while Things 3 really shines in user experience. So, what's the verdict? Here's how I see it. If you need to manage complex projects, collaborate with a team, or crave maximum flexibility, Notion's the way to go. But if all you want is simple, effective personal task management, and you live in the Apple universe, Things 3 is totally your jam.
Ready to boost your workflow? Find the perfect tool for your productivity needs. Compare Notion and Things 3 today.